In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning the tripod windmill. Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen, to the channel. I'm AJ47 from Soul Mavericks Crew. On this channel, I try to make some pretty cool breaking tutorials for you guys to improve in your craft. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, consider subscribing. And also, if you do like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps out the channel a lot. The tripod windmill is relatively easy to learn. If you saw yesterday's tutorial regarding the backspin, a lot of the moves and the movements learnt from the backspin are going to apply to the tripod windmill, and both of them together are going to apply to the actual windmill. And if you like the content I make and you want to support the channel, there are ways that you can do so down below. Those of you that have supported, you're awesome. Thank you so much, and it really helps me out a lot. This is why I made the backspin tutorial video yesterday, because once you've got some kind of control of your legs, of your hips, learning this tripod tutorial should be really easy for you, and it's a good stepping stone for the windmill. So tripod position, tripod windmill. Why is it called a tripod? Because this position here is a tripod. 3 points of contact is a tripod. Start on your head. You kind of got to get used to being on your head because it's heavily involved. Like this, and you're going to learn to twist like this. I go counterclockwise, which means the back of my left shoulder is going to go down first. And I'm going to obviously rotate counterclockwise. If you go clockwise, just reverse it. It's going to be your right shoulder that goes down first. So to go counterclockwise, I have to first turn my opposite direction and then cut so I end up here. If you watched the backspin tutorial yesterday, then you will know a little bit more about this hip movement once I'm on the ground. Just a quick summary for those, because you should really watch the backspin tutorial. They kind of make sense a little bit when these moves are together, which is the point of me making this tutorial. I'm going to swing like this and bring my leg round, which is the backspin. To go back up into my head, I'm actually twisting over. So if I'm going counterclockwise, my left leg is reaching over, which taps the floor, followed by my right leg. Some people teach it where they stop with both legs on the floor at the same time. I prefer one after the other. Okay, so this is the one I'm going to teach you guys. If I'm going to go from here, I basically have to roll back on top of my head, have my left rotate over my right faster than my right, to allow me to go around in this circle. I can use my elbow, my right elbow, to kind of help me do that. So I'm going to go from here. See that? 1, 2. I'm going to do it again without the elbow. This takes a little bit of trust, a little bit of confidence. Rolling back and twisting makes it a lot easier. So I'm rolling backwards and I'm going this way, but I'm going to use the windmill swing, or the swing that you saw yesterday for the backspin. Okay, from here. Really, that's kind of it with the move. Like, you just do that repeatedly. So, I mean, yeah, it is quite simple. It's a little bit tricky to figure out, but it's actually a really easy move to learn. Like, it didn't take me long at all to learn this. So from here, twist the wrong way, twist, leg goes straight over to this position here. Okay, and then once you've done that, you just repeat the move. You just do it again and again. Tripod windmill. This tutorial is simple, straightforward. I make it look really easy. It is technically really easy, but just be patient with the hardest part is getting onto your head. Use the elbow first, then do it without. Try and land your master leg first. So if your left hand frees, your left leg will learn first. Thanks again for watching, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't already subscribed, smash that like button for me. Again, it helps out a lot. And as I said at the beginning of the video, there's ways that you can support the channel listed down below. Stay fresh, stay clean, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.